The Nokia Lumia 200 to 5G is a standout in the mid-range smartphone market, delivering a fusion of performance, design, and affordability. Nokia has drawn from its Lumia heritage, blending sleek aesthetics with modern technology. Starting with the design, the Lumia 200 sports a minimalist, premium build, featuring a lightweight polycarbonate body that feels durable and comfortable in hand. The color choices are vibrant, reminiscent of the classic Lumia series, making the phone visually appealing. Its 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display provides bright and sharp visuals, excellent for watching videos, browsing, or playing games. On the performance front, the 5G connectivity is a big selling point, offering users fast internet speeds for smooth streaming and downloads. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 series processor, paired with 8 GB of RAM, ensures smooth multitasking and responsiveness. Apps open quickly, and even intensive games run with minimal lag, making the Lumia 200 a solid performer in its range. The camera system is another strength. With a 6MP main camera, photos come out detailed and vibrant, even in low-light conditions, thanks to the AI-assisted night mode. The ultra-wide and macro lenses offer versatility for creative shots, while the 16MP front camera ensures sharp selfies. A 4,500 mAh battery with 25W fast charging provides ample juice for a full day of use, and Nokia's attention to software updates means users can expect reliable performance and security improvements over time. Overall, the Nokia Lumia 200 to 5G offers a balanced package of style, speed, and functionality, making it an excellent choice for users seeking an affordable yet capable 5G phone. It's an ideal phone for both casual users and those looking for reliable daily performance with a touch of nostalgia from the Lumia line.